At the 2025 Bharat Mobility Auto Expo in India, one of the standout attractions wasn't a new car or electric vehicle, it was an extraordinary bus designed as a mobile showroom. Created for Goldmedal Electricals, this one-of-a-kind creation blends futuristic design with functionality, drawing heavy inspiration from spacecraft and high-speed trains. This $2 million project might just change how we think about mobile marketing and product display. The bus was designed by DC2 Mercury, a design studio led by veteran Indian automotive designer Dilip Chhabria. Known for his previous work on India's first supercar, the DC Avanti, Chhabria's vision for this project marries his extensive expertise with cutting-edge design concepts. The bus itself is a modern interpretation of the GM Futurliner, a 1940s mobile showroom that toured the US to showcase General Motors' innovations. However, this Goldmedal Electricals bus is no retro tribute, it's a futuristic masterpiece that's poised to grab attention. Built on the chassis of a regular bus, the Goldmedal mobile showroom stands out thanks to its sleek, aerodynamic body. The design combines the shape of a high-speed train with elements of an aircraft, making it look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The bus features a satin matte finish with bold red accents and a large glass area at the front, which allows for a panoramic view while adding to the vehicle's high-tech aesthetic. The bodywork, made using over 700 molds and aviation-grade composites, showcases the immense effort behind the project. Inside, the transformation is even more impressive. Once parked, the bus expands using 3 hydraulic sections, 2 on the sides and 1 at the rear. These extensions open up to reveal a spacious showroom where Goldmedal Electricals can display their range of products, including modular wiring devices, home automation systems, and LED lighting. The interior is not just a showroom, though, it's an immersive experience. With over 10,000 LEDs for perfect lighting and a mini bar and lounge area for visitors, the cabin invites potential customers to relax and explore. Goldmedal Electricals invested 180 million Indian rupees, about $2 million, into this remarkable vehicle, and it's clear that they're aiming to make a significant impact with this mobile showroom. After its debut at the Bharat Mobility Expo, the bus will embark on a nationwide tour across India, allowing the company to reach new audiences and showcase its innovative products.